This is Maurya Satish. My roll number is 20951A3329 from Computer Science and Information Technology branch CSIT. Today I am going to discuss about AAT concept anisotropy from the subject Applied Physics. Subject code is AHSC09, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. Magnetic parameters. Introduction. Origin of anisotropy, surface anisotropy measurement, domain goals. Introduction. Magnetic anisotropy. It is an experimental fact that ferromagnetic single crystal exhibit ease and hard direction of magnetization. From the technological viewpoint, this magnetic anisotropy is one of the most important properties of magnetic materials. Perpendicular magnetic anisotropy. It is possible to tailor the magnetic anisotropy or its axis of magnetization in plane orientation perpendicular to the plane. This is the PMA and is particularly important for information storage and retrieval applications. The PMA is the result of magnetic anisotropy at the interface, which considerably differs from the magnetic anisotropy in the bulk. This type of magnetic anisotropy is called interface or surface anisotropy. It was predicted already in 1954 by Neil to result from the lowered symmetric at the surface or interface. The first experiments which had revealed such an interface anisotropy were performed in 1968 on ultratinium, ultra-thin nickel ferrous and copper 111 film. For multilayer PMA was first observed in 1985 by Karkia et al. in, in, in COPD system. Magnetic anisotropy energy K joules per metric cube could be phenomenologically separated in a volume contribution kV joules per metric cube and contribution from the interfaces Ks joule per meter square and approximately obeyed by the relation K is equal to Kf is equal to efficient is equal to Kv plus Ks by T. This equation is commonly used for experimental studies, and the determination of Ke and Ks can be obtained by plot of K effective versus T. If K is greater than 0, performing the perpendicular magnetization. If K is less than 0, it's preferring in plane magnetization. Formula E is equal to Ku sine square theta. Fermatically, Ku is similar to 300 to 300 Hz per centimeter cube. Measurement torque mh curves is axis, hard axis. Hk is equal to 2 Ku by ms. Origins. Directional order of atomic pairs Fe. Directional defects surface stress Hk of T is equal to Hb plus Hs by T. PMA plays an important role in magnetic recording. If slope K is negative, favoring in plane, magnetization intercept positive, press Ks favoring perpendicular magnetization, critical thickness T is equal to minus 2 Ks by Kv. Below T, perpendicular Ks by T is less than Kv, perpendicular magnetized system. Origin of magnetic anisotropy in thin films. Magnetic dipolar anisotropy shaped preferring in plane magnetization. Magnetic crystalline anisotropy, the spin-orbit interaction includes a small orbital movement couples the total magnetic momentum to the crystal axis in conjugation with overlap in wave functions between neighboring atoms, and the spin orbit interaction is also responsible for magnetoelastic or magnetostrictive anisotropy induced in strained system. This is the no strain system. This is strain system where they are dipolarized. Magnetic dipolar anisotropy, shape anisotropy. The most important source for magnetic anisotropy in thin films is the long-range magnetic dipolar interaction, which senses the outer boundaries of the sample. An anisotropy demagnetization field Hd given by Hd is equal to minus Nm, where here M is magnetization vector and N is shape-dependent demagnetization tensor, demagnetization factor. The field from surface poles that passes through the interior of the sample is called demagnetizing field. For a thin film, n is perpendicular to each. N perpendicular is equal to 1, n parallel is equal to 0. Anisotropy energy contribution per unit volume V of a film of Ed is equal to half mu naught ms square cos square theta. Minimum Ed occurs at 90 degrees. Magnetic dipole anisotropy prefers in plane orientation. Magnetic crystalline anisotropy. The microscopic origin of magnetocrystalline anisotropy is spin-orbit interaction. A thorough understanding of magnetocrystalline anisotropy can now be obtained from AB initio band structure calculation contribute to both Kv and Ks. Surface anisotropy, charge density. Magnetic elastic anisotropy, strain in a ferromagnetic changes the magnetic crystalline anisotropy may thereby alter the direction of magnetization. The magneto-elastic anisotropy energy per volume is given by EME is equal to minus KME cos square theta, that is equal to minus 3 by 2 sigma is equal to minus 3 by 2 delta into E epsilon, where surface charge density is stress, epsilon is strain, E is elastic modulus D, lambda is strain constant, delta L by L. Source of strain in thin films: thermal strain, intrinsic strain, strain due to lattice mismatch. Considering the strain due to lattice mismatch, nu is equal to AA minus AB by AA. Use the expression K is equal to K effective plus KV plus Ks by T. Anisotropy energy can be separated into volume and surface terms. Coherent regime. A is equal to AB. Below a critical thickness Tc, a tensile stress in one layer and a compressive strain in other materials A and B adopt the same in plane lattice parameters. K coherence is equal to 3 by 2 lambda into E power E A, nu is equal to 0. Incoherent regimes, where A is not equal to AB. K incoherent is equal to 3 by 2 lambda K EA, nu Tc by Ta is equal to K incoherent by Ta, where K incoherent is equal to 3 by 2 lambda Ea, nu Tc. Film strain. In the plane, lattice constant, perpendicular lattice constant, copper, nickel, copper. This is this strain versus nickel thickness in copper, nickel, copper sandwiches determined by synchronous X-ray scattering above, strain in plane lattice constant determined by grazing incidence diffraction below, strain in perpendicular lattice constant determined by Bragg's diffraction. The two sets of data are related by Poisson ratio of bulk and nickel, and in the plane data are well fit by ED. This is the cobalt film. Effective anisotropy times cobalt thickness versus cobalt thickness for cobalt palladium superlattice. Epic structure have different orientations, where grown Ks is greater than K is lesser than 0 and Ku is lesser than 0. This is the nickel film, nickel ferrous film. Techniques to determine magnetic anisotropy. Magnetization method. The magnetic anisotropy is frequently determined from magnetization methods. Example: VMS and squid along Two orthogonal directions of the magnetic field relative to the sample. Hysteresis loop measured with the applied parallel and perpendicular